Once upon a time, in a vibrant, lively forest, lived a curious little fox named Foxy. Foxy loved to explore and learn new things. One sunny morning, as Foxy was trotting along, he saw a bright red bird perch on a branch. "Hello, red bird," chirped Foxy. "What do you do?" the red bird sang. "I fly high in the sky and sing beautiful songs." Foxy wagged his tail and continued his journey. Soon, he arrived at a sparkling blue pond. In the pond, a playful blue fish was swimming around. "Greetings, blue fish," exclaimed Foxy. "What do you do?" The blue fish flipped its tail and replied, "I swim and splash and explore the deep waters." Foxy giggled and walked further into the forest. He spotted a patch of tall, green grass, and in it, a cheerful green frog was hopping. "Hello there, green frog," said Foxy. "What do you do?" the green frog croaked. "I jump from lily pad to lily pad and catch tasty flies." Foxy was having a wonderful time. As he continued, he saw a fuzzy yellow duck waddling by a stream. "Hi, yellow duck," called Foxy. "What do you do?" the yellow duck quacked. "I swim in the stream and play in the sunshine." Foxy met so many amazing animals and learned about all the different things they do. He realized that every animal, no matter their color, had a special way of living and playing in their beautiful, colorful world. And Foxy went home that day, happy and full of new knowledge.